Hello dear students, in this video we are doing limits of 11th standard. Listen, this is what chapter number 7 of Maths 2. Let us continue with the exercise 7.1. 7.1 is based on limits on algebraic function. So we are doing problems on this theorem. So theorem is this: limit x tends to a x raised to power n minus a raised to power n upon x minus a, that is equal to n into a raised to power n minus 1, where n is any rational number. So we are doing limits on this formula. So formula is this: yes, we are doing limits on this formula. So exercise 7.1, see this question number 2 is what? Listen, question number 2 is what? Here, limit y tends to, here limit y tends to minus 3 y raised to power 5 plus 243 upon y cube plus 27. Yes, how to solve this question? Listen students, it is, see here, minus 3 raised to power, see, minus 3 raised to power 5, it will be equal to minus of 243. 3 raised to power 4 is 81, 3 raised to power 5 is 243, and minus 3 raised to power 3, that is equal to minus 27. So this we can write as limit y tends to minus 3, here minus 3, y to the power 5 minus of 243. So minus of 243 is equal to what? Minus of minus will be what? Plus. Here it is plus. So it is raised to power 5 and upon y raised to power 3 minus 3 cube. Yes. Now we apply, we divide numerator and denominator by limit, see here, by y minus of minus 3, that means y plus 3, y minus 3, we are dividing by y to the power 5 minus 3 raised to power 5 upon y minus of minus 3, that means y plus 3 we are dividing numerator and denominator. So here y cube minus of minus 3 cube upon y minus of minus 3. Yes, so what is this limit? We are applying this formula, limit x tends to a x raised to power n a raised to power n x minus a is equal to n into a raised to power n minus 1. So by using this formula we will get, this is equal to, here this is equal to this will be equal to, here n is equal to what? 5 in this case. So it is, or further we write it as limit y tends to minus 3 y to the power 5 minus 3 raised to power 5 upon y minus 3 minus of minus 3, and limit y tends to 0, y tends to minus 3 y cube minus of minus 3 cube upon y minus of minus 3. This limit will be equal to, here n is equal to 5 over here. So as n is equal to 5, it is 5 into and a is what is minus 3 raised to power 5 minus 1, that is 4, n a raised to power n minus 1 upon here n is what 3, so it is 3 into minus 3 raised to power n is equal to 3 here, so 3 minus 1, that is 2. This gives 5 upon 3. This is even power, so it will be plus only, and 3 raised to power 4 and 3 raised to power 2, so it will be 3 raised to power 2 only, and this 3 we cancel. Okay, ये 3 cancel होगा, it will be answer is 15, so 15 will be the answer. Yes, so we attempt this question. Next question. Look at this question, that is from question number 2. So see this question. So we attempt, हम ये क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करते हैं. लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 5. See here, third one. Limit x टेंड्स टू 5, x cube minus 125 upon x to the power 5. Okay, 3125. So how we evaluate this limit? सबसे पहले हमको नोट करना है यहाँ पे 5 क्यूब इज इक्वल टू और 5 क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 125 और 5 raised to power 5 raised to power 4 is 625 and this is 3125 होता है. तो ये हमको नोट करना है, so that this will be equal to limit x tends to 5 x cube minus 5 cube, और यहाँ पे हम डिवाइड करेंगे x minus 5 से. Denominator is what? X to the power 5 minus 5 to the power 5 upon x minus 5. Okay students, now limit of fx here, limit of fx upon gx is what I did here, x minus 5 से divide किया हमने. So limit of fx upon gx is what? Limit fx upon limit gx. So let's do that. यहाँ पे आएगा लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 5 x टू द पावर x क्यूब माइनस 5 क्यूब अपॉन x माइनस 5 अपॉन लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 5 लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 5 x cube x to the power 5 minus 5 to the power 5 upon x minus 5. Now this will give us here, this will give us n into a raised to power n minus 1, that is यहाँ पे आएगा 3 into 5 raised to power 3 minus 1 मतलब 2, और यहाँ पे आएगा 5 into 5 raised to power 5 minus 1, that is 4. क्लियरली ये यहाँ पे स्क्वायर है, यहाँ पे रेस्ट टू पावर 4 है, तो ये कैंसिल होगा, यहाँ पे खाली इतना रहेगा 2 रहेगा. ओके, तो दिस विल बी 3 अपॉन 5 क्यूब होगा ये, दैट इज 125. इट इज 5 स्क्वायर एंड दिस 5. दिस विल बी 3 रेस्ट टू पावर 3 अपॉन 125. So this will be the answer. 3 upon 125 will be the answer. Okay students? Yes. Next question. We'll do now next question. Here. look at this question. So we'll find what here we are evaluate this limit. So we evaluate this limit. So let's evaluate this limit. Limit x tends to here limit x tends to 7. X tends to 7. Cube root of x minus cube root of 7 into what? Again, cube root of x plus cube root of 7. Yes, cube root of 7. इसका मतलब cube root means what? X raised to power 1 by 3. A minus b, a plus b, it will be a square minus b square. So this can be written as a square. A square मतलब 2 by 3. So yes, this will be it is see, write the question properly. Denominator is what? X minus 7. Denominator is x minus 7. So let's write that. Now limit x tends to 7. Okay, x tends to 7. A minus b, a plus b. Let's write a square minus b square. That is x raised to power 2 by 3 minus 7 raised to power 2 by 3 and upon, very simple, it is x minus 7 upon x minus 7. So what is n over here? N is 2 by 3 and a is what? 7. A is 7. X tends to a. So we apply this formula and it is n. N is 2 by 3. A is what? 7 raised to power 2 by 3 minus 1. Raised to power 2 by 3 minus 1. So what is this 2 by 3 minus 1? It is 2 by 3 7 raised to power what? 2 by 3 minus 1, that is minus 1 upon 3. Okay, it is minus 1 upon 3 and this will be the answer. Yes, this will be the answer. Now we attempt this one, first one. First question is what? Limit x tends to 1. See here, limit x tends to 1. Very interesting question it is. X plus x square plus x cube plus up to, there are x raised to power n, that means n number of terms and minus n upon क्या है? x minus 1. How we evaluate this? So yes students, this 1 to x raised to power 1 to x raised to power n, there are n number of terms. ये n को आप एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. So before going to start this limit, so let's do this. Limit x tends to 1. Listen here, limit x tends to 1, x raised to power n minus 1 upon x minus 1. This we can write as limit x tends to 1, x raised to power n. 1 will write is 1 raised to power n, that is x minus 1, and this will be equal to n into 1 raised to power n minus 1. Whatever 1 raised to power n minus 1, it is 1, so it will be n. So remember, this is equal to what? N. This limit is equal to what? N. So here this limit is equal to what? So limit x tends to 1, x raised to power n minus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to n. So we are applying this over here. So first of all, sorry, so apply this limit over here. Now we can write this as limit x tends to 1. Here limit x tends to 1, x plus x square plus plus x cube plus up to x raised to power n minus क्या है n we can write as 1 plus 1 plus up to 1 n times upon x minus 1. Okay student, this will be limit x tends to 1, here limit x tends to 1, limit x tends to 1 into, these are n number of terms and these are also n, so we'll group it. ऐसे ग्रुप कर सकते हैं हम x minus 1 plus x square minus 1 plus again x cube minus 1 plus करके up to x raised to power n minus 1 upon x minus 1. Okay, so this will be equal to limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 upon x minus 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x minus 1 plus x cube minus 1 upon x minus 1 and plus up to x raised to power n minus 1 upon x minus 1. Okay, now here as we know limit x tends to, here limit x tends to 1, x raised to power n minus 1 upon x minus 1 that is equal to n. तो ये 3 है, n is equal to 3, तो ये 3 होगा, ये 2 होगा, ये 1 होगा, अप टू ये क्या है n होगा. तो each limit will be equal to what, ये सारे लिमिट्स क्या होंगे, so this will be equal to taking limit it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n. So sum of n numbers, okay, that is given by n into n plus 1 upon 2. Sum of first n natural numbers is given by 1 plus n into n plus 1 upon 2. So yes, this is the answer. This is the answer. Now we do question. We'll do this question, that is question number 3. Question number 3 क्या है, limit, here you have to find what, k. So it is of the form limit x tends to a x raised to power n minus a raised to power n upon x minus a. So what is this limit, will be n is what, k into 5 raised to power k minus 1 and this will be equal to what, 500. Now this 500 we will write as, this we will write as 5 into 100, so it is equal to 5 into 25 to 4, which we can write as k into 5 raised to power k minus 1 equal to what, 5 cube, 4 and 5 cube. So if we compare this, अगर आप दोनों साइड कंपेयर करते हैं, k must be equal to what, 4, because this we can write as 4 into 5 raised to power, ये 3 जो है 3 we can write as 4 minus 1, मतलब k minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 1, k must be equal to what, therefore k is equal to what, yes, done, k is equal to, we have done this. Next is we'll do 7th question. So let's do now 7th question. 7th question is what, limit, here limit z tends to a, here what, z plus 2 raised to power 3 by 2 minus a plus 2 minus a plus 2 raised to power 3 by 2 upon z minus. So here z plus 2, so we can express denominator as, denominator को हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, z टेंस टू a, देखो z plus 2 raised to power 3 by 2 minus a plus 2 raised to power 3 by 2 upon what, z plus 2 minus a plus 2 minus what, a plus 2. तो इसमें थोड़ा सब्स्टिट्यूशन है, सो हम क्या करते हैं, z plus 2 का x रखते हैं, z plus 2 we will take x, और a plus 2 को हम रखते हैं, a plus 2 को रखते हैं b. एज z is tending to a, तो यहाँ पे a plus 2 होगा, so a plus 2 will tends to what, b, x will tends to what, b. So you can write here as, listen here, as z is tending to a, okay, then x will tends to what, b. ये x is z plus 2, यहाँ पे अगर a बन गया है तो a plus 2 होगा, a plus 2 b, x tends to b. Yes students, so we can write it as, this is equal to लिमिट z टेंस टू a है, तो z टेंस टू a है तो x टेंस टू b होगा, ओके, x टेंस टू b. और यहाँ पे z प्लस 2 इज व्हाट, x, so this is what, x raised to power 3 by 2. Okay students, x raised to power 3 by 2 minus, but a plus 2 is what, a plus 2 is b, so it is b raised to power what, 3 by 2 upon, very simple it is now, z plus 2 is what, x minus b. We have here n is equal to 3 by 2, so let's write it, 3 by 2 into b raised to power 3 by 2 minus 1, which is 3 by 2, b is what, b is a plus 2 raised to power 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. Yes, so this is the answer, 3 by 2 root of a plus 2 is the answer. So here we have completed different types of examples on this formula, limit x tends to a, x raised to power n minus a raised to power n upon x minus a, from this exercise. Yes students, so we will continue the next exercise in next video. Thank you for watching this video. So we have completed exercise 7.1, different type of questions. So in the next video we will do next exercise. Thank you for watching this video.